Hey kids, and parents, welcome to River Kids. We are going to have a blast this week as we learn how staying connected to Jesus helps us love others. Wait, hold on though, there's a loud clanging noise and it's interrupting our program and it needs my immediate attention.
Hello, this is The Incredibles. I'm feeling love here. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, Unfailing Love, can you hear me?
It's difficult to hear you. Please speak loudly.
This is Pastor Lisa.
Yes, this is Unfailing Love.
Someone is in the streets pretending to be one of us and claiming to love others, but he's just making a horrible clanging noise. The sound is deafening. It's drowning out the voice of God.
I can speak in many languages. Konnichiwa, Guggenheim, necesito por favor. See, I am here. I'm so awesome. I just dropped off some food to the poor people down the street. Between you and me, I find them disgusting and I actually despise them. But I give to them anyway. I even had to cut down some vines to get to them. But I don't think they really even appreciate it.
Yes, darling, I can hear you in the control room. It's difficult to conduct our duties, but we are prevailing, okay? I'm gearing up unconditional love, now sending her out with her best fruit.
We have a team here that will get on it right away. Unconditional love.
I'm on it. Reports are coming in on the newscast now. It's simple. We need to help the people connect to the one true vine. This will stop the noise.
Pastor Lisa, that reminds me of our story today in John 15. Jesus is the vine and we are the branches. In order to love one another, we must stay connected to him. He has won the battle against the enemy with his true love for us, and if we stay connected to him, we will have victory too.
That's right. Thank you, Everlasting Love. Yes, we must stay connected to Jesus. As a matter of fact, on a very special night, a night when Jesus knew he would suffer many things, he wanted to let his disciples know how much he loved them and to help them show love to others. So he told them in John chapter 15, verse 5, he said, I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me, you will bear much fruit, but apart from me, you can do nothing. A vine is kind of like a tree. This is a vine. Okay, I need everyone to do me a favor. Now I know I'm sitting down, but I need everyone to stand up. Okay, everybody stand. Wait a second, some of you are already standing. Okay, everyone sit down. Everyone, Mom, Grandma, Dad, anybody there, anybody in the house, come on, everybody should be sitting down. All right, now, we're gonna stand up together, everyone stand up together, and let's pretend to be a tree. Now, we're gonna say the power verse together. John 15:5a says, I am the vine, you are the branches. All right, everybody together, I am the vine, you are the branches. All right, girls, your turn only. Boys, go ahead and sit down. Girls, stay standing. Okay, let's do it together. John 15:5a says, I am the vine, you are the branches. All right, girls, great job. Sit back down. Boys, come on. All right, boys, no, stand up. All right, you got this? Get your best tree. You got your tree? All right, now say John 15:5a, I am the vine, you are the branches. Great job, everybody. You know, strong vines and trees have very deep roots. And the deeper the roots and the stronger the roots, the more sturdier the trees. Jesus said that he is the vine. He is the strong root. He's the good news for everyone. And we are the branches. When branches grow really long and strong, they can give us some yummy fruit. We are going to be learning all week about how we can be the best branches and the strongest branches so we can show all the good fruit to others.